time! Welcome to K's Toys! And today is the 7th of December. That means that we only have 18 days to go to Christmas! Yay! So, what do we do now? Let's open door number 7.
Yes.
And kids, if you have door number 7 on your advent calendar, why don't you open them now too with us? Come on, Kay, let's open door number 7.
Can you help me please, Mommy?
Okay. We're opening door number 7.
I need your Santa Claus inside now. Your toys.
Yeah.
You want things to play with.
Okay, open it. Oh, another present. What color is our present this time? Blue.
We got 2.
Yes, we got 2 presents. We got another present and it's
Gray.
and it's color blue with a white bow. The first present we got was a yellow one with a blue bow. Yay, we have 2 presents. So how many surprises do we have so far? Let's count them together. 1, 7 surprises! Yay! I am so excited to find out what we get next tomorrow, aren't you? Yeah, we'll have to do it again tomorrow to find out what we get next. How about you, kids?
We're going to get Santa this time.
Oh, I hope so. I'm so excited to get Santa. How about you, kids? What kind of surprise did you get today? Leave us a comment below and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!
Subscribe for more videos, and if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share.